There are a variety of financial investments made in real estate, most of which are expected to enable the value of the property to go up. However, sometimes the value of a property can go down. When investing in distressed real estate, that is one of the questions that you will have to ask yourself. Based on your research of the property and the market at the time, in which direction do you think the property's value will flow? If a property is distressed, it means that it has not had the care and attention required to maintain or increase its value by the previous owners. Many times, a home of this type falls into the category of a foreclosure, abandoned home, or other problem real estate which may or may not have been resided in for a long period of time. Should you decide to invest in such properties, understand that any distressed property will need a lot of attention in order to bring it up to value. Before investing in this type of real estate, you will need to make certain that it will be worth your investment. Thus, the reason for careful research and analysis prior to buying. While a distressed property's value will usually drop substantially as a result of the poor quality of its maintenance, there's a very good chance you may be able to acquire it at a price that is considerably below the market value. Of course, when buying such properties, expect to put a good amount of work and money into the home for repairs in order to get it back up to speed. If you have the ability to acquire financing, possess good financial assets, and have a desire to renovate and repair homes, then distressed properties could potentially be a good investment for you. If you don't want to put in the extra effort, then put together a good team who in turn will work on these types of properties on your behalf, still making them a good option for you.